She is studying. She is studying. I am cooking dinner. I am cooking dinner. He is writing a letter. He is writing a letter. They are shopping. They are shopping. She is jogging. She is jogging. I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room. She is listening to music. She is listening to music. She is taking a shower. She is taking a shower. She is baking cookies. She is baking cookies. She is making a cake. She is making a cake. He is playing the piano. He is playing the piano. I am exercising at the gym. I am exercising at the gym. We are planning a trip. We are planning a trip. He is eating breakfast. He is eating breakfast. She is drinking water. She is drinking water. She is cooking dinner. She is cooking dinner. She is brushing her teeth. She is brushing her teeth. I am planting flowers. I am planting flowers. I am taking pictures. I am taking pictures. He is helping his mom. He is helping his mom. I am tasting new foods. I am tasting new foods. I am practicing yoga. I am practicing yoga. He is creating art. He is creating art. We are playing board games. We are playing board games. They are reading stories. They are reading stories. She is knitting a scarf. She is knitting a scarf. We are having fun. We are having fun. We are cleaning the house. We are cleaning the house. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. She is looking for a job. She is looking for a job. They are playing soccer. They are playing soccer. He is feeding the cat. He is feeding the cat. I am learning to swim. I am learning to swim. She is checking emails. She is checking emails. We are exploring the city. We are exploring the city. I am taking a break. I am taking a break. She is watering the plants. She is watering the plants. We are having a picnic. We are having a picnic.